Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll guide you through the simple steps to activate your N26 card so you can start using it immediately. Step 1. Gather your card and information. Locate your new N26 card and any accompanying documents. Make sure you have your card and personal details ready for verification. Step 2. Activate via the N26 mobile app. Open the N26 app on your smartphone. Log in to your account, navigate to the Cards section, and select Activate Card. Follow the on-screen instructions. Enter your card details and complete the activation process. Step 3. Activate by phone. Alternatively, you can activate your N26 card by calling the customer service number provided with your card if needed. Follow the automated prompts and provide your card details along with any required personal information. Confirmation. Once your card is successfully activated, you will receive confirmation through the app or during your phone call. Your N26 card is now ready to use for purchases, online transactions, and ATM withdrawals. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up for more helpful tips.